Do you want to clear cache on your Amazon Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: clear app cache on Fire Stick. Clearing the app cache on your Fire Stick can help improve its performance and resolve various issues. Over time, cached data can accumulate and slow down your Fire Stick. Clearing the cache can help speed up the device and make apps run more smoothly. If an app is crashing, freezing, or not loading properly, clearing the cache can often resolve these problems by removing corrupted or outdated data. Cached data can take up a significant amount of storage space. By clearing the cache, you can free up space for other apps and content. Moreover, excessive cached data can cause lag and buffering issues while streaming. Clearing the cache can help provide a smoother streaming experience. Now here is how to clear app cache on Fire Stick. First, scroll down to the settings menu on Fire TV Stick Home. Now, open Applications. Scroll down to Manage Installed Applications. Now select the app for which you want to clear cache. Now you should get Force Stop, Uninstall Clear Data and Clear Cache options. Scroll down to the Clear Cache and select it. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the process finishes, then you can restart the Fire Stick. To restart Fire Stick, go to the Settings menu from the home screen. Select My Fire TV and choose Restart. Confirm by selecting Restart again. Your Fire Stick will automatically reboot. And there you have it, the way to clear cache on Amazon Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.